In the street and we don't do woman them thing, you know. Yeah, but how you sell the woman phone? You ever sell your pocket? A pocket alone sell phone charge. She get the phone? You give him the phone?
Yes.
Yeah, but you want the money.
First of all, out of niceness, I decided to buy
Yeah,
this
me
boy the
know the
freaking
art,
phone.
baby, me know the
Him
art.
bun me three times and fuck
you-
three different
baby,
girl, you know.
Just a catch you, tune the fuck some boy we on the tongue. You don't have to explain to me. You know where I reach out, but hear me I say, she go want money.
He's not giving me anything. I'm just saying I'm going to use the
No,
money to buy a
no,
new
hear
phone.
me I say.
Marvis, me will
All,
fuck you up, you
no,
know
you see
that?
all over this stuff, apart from who come from. So if they
Marvis.
feel like, yo, what?
Marvis.
You know say no?
Marvis. No, me not bumper.
She want her money. So how long you can take to give her money?
But you can't, you couldn't afford to do anything and I do everything for you. And you're going to fuck on me, you dumb. I will give you that money sometime, me and Megan.
You see all
You
of
can't
them,
afford Bumba Club Plan B.
you see all of them here, that's them here, she go through because she fuck nerd like you know. Only don't know when you not have real girl, push so hard. Me no want you know that how you she go get her money because you hurt her ass. So she go take back her thing. Because you see, you know, you could have this off here some look at dog bed girl. How much girl you have? 10, 15? But how she find out? Me and fuck more than 5 girl. I think my girl will live on my auntie and find
You're not
this
helping
thing.
the
You don't know how girl is thing. When you just come to college as country boy and think, that's why she go get hurt.
That's why your father kick you out and you now go Bumba Club work and trouble for your information in
When
case
you
you
just come
never
from country and see light and
What
get
is
good
broke
girl.
pocket boy?
Girl, you give you a thing and you plan for fuck man her. Where you know, you're a gal is. No, you fuck man her, so you say you're a gal is.
Marvis.
And hurt the girl they like you. Put it on the sense charge. Yeah, okay, you never have nothing because she show me who is New Year's a waste man have her money. She have to give you money. So how you going to find her money then you tell me tomorrow. The girl them where you fuck now give you a thing. You have to tell me that. Charge it, so how she know you're born now? Woman know them things that when you lame. When you lame dog. You lame, look on the girl, I shouldn't even know the business. Yeah, because you hurt her that.
And you have my phone, dumb shit.
You know where you see? She love you more than how you love her. She don't have to tell me.
Marvis, fast, I want my stuff today. I will mash up your laptop and you know say your father don't give a shit about you.
So you have the laptop so you have to go give her your laptop to the girl. No! You have to hold her and something for you.
Yo, Johnny, tell Mikey we are going to spend today. We'll give him gas money because you know what? I can afford to do things for myself. I'm going to have to sponge off for no boy.
So we should go hold on for you till you
We have already though. We can carry you to Spain, love. You don't have to spend the money that you
that means I
have.
go carry on because like me tell you, only those things when you run over them. And badness and gun run this, I won't run everything. But when you get good girl, and but it got me to her 20 more times and act like when you just come out and come, when you don't know. When you try act like get to you when you don't know. How she find out you fuck on her? Because you're a nerd, so you try act
No,
like
his ex-best friend actually told
you
me.
got me to tell you that when you're a nerd, you fuck with your girl and you still tell another man. So you have to go down the line. Yeah, but you know have sense because guess what? You put the girl in wrong. And then you have to lose the one and love you. Alright, what me show you something. This guy is a Jamaican. His name Vibe Star. You ever hear him sing about who? Shard. Shard, you have one grand guy. You see the average girl left, I don't know who I know man. So when you don't know life, when you just come over here and get a good girl, right? But she go on to her thing, I'm in the bag of explanation.
You messaged the wrong person 3 times. 3 times. Look at me, Marvis. No, look at me. Look at me.
So
No.
you should do her refer.
Yo, look on me. Look on me, Marvis.
Do her
3
research,
times. You fuck for me, no better. No. Don't bother with who.
Yeah, it's so good.
You fuck me or you
I
fuck
look
me.
a nerd, I get a good girl, girl.
And you fuck
I make
Justin,
she
boy,
find
at
out
8
them
o'clock
fuck
in
on
the
her
morning.
3
How you
times.
fuck?
I try to be like
Never
we as a
fuck
girl.
nobody. So the
You look
screenshots
a
and the
country
proof
nerd.
it's just what?
Yeah, alright, no, tell him again. Tell him again, my chance. Watch out, tell him again.
Yeah!
You see, I just nerd. I get to you like we this from the block.